Dear students and audience, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Saidur Rahman, Assistant English Teacher, Mamun City Public High School, Suntia Bazar, Shodor, Jamalpur. I hope you are all well by the grace of Allah. And you was fine, you are fine, you are fine, and you will be fine. This is the prayer from the core of heart for you by me to the Almighty Allah. Dear students, I want to discuss about a topic in the given syllabus by the authority or NCTB for your 30 days. Unit 3, Lesson 2. Unit 3, Lesson 2. The title of this passage, May Day or International Workers' Day. May দিবস অথবা আন্তর্জাতিক শ্রমিক দিবস. May Day or International Workers' Day. At first, I have to give the definition what is May Day or what is International Workers' Day. May Day is a day to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working class people in the 1886 on May 1st, who laid down their lives to establish 8-hour work day within 24 hours or in a day. This is a public holiday. May 1st is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. May Day is observed. The International Workers' Day is observed to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working class people who tried their level best to establish 8-hour work day within 24 hours or in a day. Since the revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and US, the workers had been working a long shift, and they had to work 14 hours or even more in a day. They had to work 14 hours or more even in a day. On May 1st, 1886, inspired by the trade unions, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago, and 6,000 workers joined the rally. 2 days later, again a rally was held near the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged, they told, they frequently said on this time the workers to go with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses, and they would continue such kind of struggle to establish their rights, the established 8-hour work day. Seriously, an event took place there. Some strikebreakers started leaving the meeting place. Some strikebreakers started the leaving place, and the striker went back to bring them in the meeting. But suddenly 200 policemen opened fire to them. 200 policemen opened fire to them. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 seriously wounded and some were injured. May 1st, 1886, the event is a reminder that the workers will be exploited until they stand up together, until they speak to gain better conditions, better lives and better pay. The workers on this time, they laid down their lives. The workers on this time, they sacrificed their lives. They didn't think even their families, they didn't think even their children, they just only things for the workers of the whole country, of the whole world. When a person work at a stretch, when a workers work at a stretch, when a workers works continuously, after few hours, when he has to work 14 hours or even more in a day, his body will be unable within few days. We can't imagine 14 hours. We can't think 14 hours or even more. The students, you should realize what was the sorrows and sufferings, how much sorrows and sufferings they had to bear on this time. Dear students, please feel it, realize it. Dear students, you have to feel, you have to realize deeply how much sorrows and sufferings they had to bear on this time. They had to tolerate on this time. In the blackboard, you see, describe May Day is a reminder for the workers. ব্যাখ্যা করতে হবে যে বর্ণনা করতে হবে মে দিবস শ্রমিকদের জন্য একটা স্মারক। মে দিবস শ্রমিকদের জন্য একটা স্মারক। At first, I have to say May 1st, 1886, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago. Inspired by the labor leaders, inspired by the trade unions, 6,000 workers joined the rally. Some strikebreakers, after a few moments, some strikebreakers started the meeting place. Some strikers went down to bring them back in the meeting. Suddenly, 200 policemen opened fire to them. Suddenly, 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was instantly killed there. 5 or 6 seriously injured. Some were wounded. How much sorrows and sufferings they had to bear on this time. You can't imagine. We can't imagine. You have to feel deeply. You have to feel from the core of heart. You have to think seriously. To establish 8-hour work day on this time, the workers, how much sorrows and sufferings they had to bear. May Day or International Workers' Day is a reminder, because this is the message. This is the message for us. This is the message for the workers. This is the message for the whole world's workers in almost all the countries. The workers will be continued. Exploitation will be exploited until they stand up together. Will be continued to gain better conditions, better pay and better lives. This is the message for later May Day or International Workers' Day. In recognition of the sacrifice of the who laid down their lives, who sacrifices their blood, who sheds their blood to establish 8-hour workday. In recognition such kind of sacrifices, people, the authority declared May Day is an International Workers' Day. And from this time, every year, in almost all the countries, May Day is observed as International Workers' Day to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working class people who laid down their lives to establish 8-hour workday or even more, who had to work 14 hours or even more. Dear students, take your khata. Point out the basic point of this passage and write the answer own self at your home. Then you will be able to write better assignment, the best assignment, when you realize what is the main theme of the passage, when you realize what is the basic point of this passage, what is the main discussion of the passage. When you realize, then you will be able to get the best or better. If your mark, your standard is below, you will be good. Or others, or nursery is needed for this assignment. You have to decide what is your own decision. You will be best, or you will be better, or you will be good, or other steps you will be needed. In these 4 steps, you have to choose what step will be granted by you. I hope I tried my level best to discuss about this passage. You would understand such kind of simple language used by me. No more today. All the best.